Okay, y'all. I'm really feeling good about this look, y'all. Like, what's up? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl London, and I am coming to do a quick get ready with me. You guys already know the steps that I usually go through, so I won't be talking as much as I usually do because I have somewhere to go. But I wanted to film this little video for you guys so you can see how everything turns out. So I'm going in first with my Milk primer. And you don't need much of this, y'all. A little goes a long way with this primer. I usually do about 2 pumps, and that gets me the coverage that I oh so desperately need. And I did my brows off camera because I was like, that's gonna be time consuming. So the foundation we are going to be working with is gonna be NARS, and this is the Soft Matte. I really love this foundation, y'all. It does my skin so good. I'm going in with my Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer, and everything I do in this video will be down in the description so you guys know, all right? Y'all, I gotta take a moment and just admire this foundation and the quality of this foundation. Like, y'all, I really love this foundation, y'all. All right, I'm going back to my music. Yeah, I'm just marking these off real quick before I actually blend it in. So that's why you still see it though, because I'm not blending it yet, but you get what I'm doing. You get it. Okay. Now I have the markings, now I'm gonna blend it in. I'm gonna go ahead now and dust off all of my powder. I just had to take my hair down so I could see what it was giving, y'all, and it was giving a vibe, so that's why. Y'all see my hair was up, I took it down because I was proud of myself for a minute, so. Now y'all already know I love this Revolutions bronzer. Got it from Ulta. It was on sale for I think $4, and this is my fave. Going in with some of that just to bring some, you know, color back into my forehead because it is a little light. Really all over your face. You want to bronze your face regardless, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm just spotting it before I actually blend everything in. And I really love this closure. I don't know how many times I gotta tell y'all, but I definitely got to get the information so that I could post it for y'all, because this is giving a look. So I'm not gonna do a highlight today with this look because I didn't put on a whole lot of makeup. I'm gonna go in with the blush, and this is the Wet n Wild palette. Y'all know I love this little palette I got from Walmart. And I'm using the blush on this side. I told you I don't really wear blush, but I love the way that this looks on my face. It just does something to my cheekbones. I can't really describe it to y'all, but it just does something. It pops, okay? I'm gonna go a little bit darker, like right around my eyelids, because I feel like it needs a little more darkness. So I'm gonna go in with the Tiger Eye, which is this color right here. And I'm just gonna put some of that like right here. I like to have a nice little transition color going on from that dark brown to that orange. Just put some right here in the nook, right in the eye, the corner. So what I'm gonna do now is scrub my lips, because before I put on any lipstick or any lip gloss, I like to scrub my lips with my sugar scrub. And scrubbing y'all lips or lip scrub is so essential and vital to do, because you be having so much dead skin. When you do this and your lips is feeling like a little cakey, like that means you got dead skin and you need to go scrub it off, okay? Takes a few minutes to do, and no, you're not gonna mess up your makeup if you know what you're doing, but if you don't, then you just do it before you do your makeup. I know how to like lightly tap my lips and my face and put the water on lightly so it's not all everywhere. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put on my lashes and I will be back to show you guys the final look. Okay, y'all, I am back. I went ahead and put on my lashes. I was trying to figure out what type of girl I was trying to go for today, because y'all know I got so many lashes, like so many, y'all. Like I'm not even gonna play when it comes to these lashes. I love lashes. So I put on my lashes. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. I scrubbed my lips and everything. I did go to MAC and purchase some lip gloss and some other stuff. But today we're gonna be using the Lip Glass by MAC, and it's the AA9 in the color Spiked. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips first. Now I'm gonna go in with this little MAC lip glass. I'm the type of person, I don't really like cakey, like lipstick, like, or lip gloss that's like that, like tacky. I don't like stuff like that, because it always leave that white film, and I don't like that. This is pretty much giving me like, this is cute. Okay, y'all, I'm really feeling good about this look, y'all. Like, what's up? So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. Like always, don't forget to give a girl a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Until next time, treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.